Salutation to the God. According to Sanskrit, Paramatmane Namaha. परमात्मा को नमन करता हूँ. अकॉर्डिंग हिंदी, परमात्मा को साष्टांग दंडवत. अकॉर्डिंग नेपाली लैंग्वेज. Salutation to the God. I expressing an English language, Sanskrit language, Hindi language and Nepali language about God. God, not only God, for human God also salutation. Human God. Human God, we can say the UNO representatives, United Nations organizations, representative of United Nations organization, mainly Secretary General, including Secretary General, all members of the United Nations organizations. That means representatives from all countries. All countries means more than 200 countries. Representatives of all countries, they also human God. Human God means who can care about the people of the world. Representative of UNO, United Nations organizations, representing of the whole people of the world. So the body of United Nations organization, they can care very finely, rightly of the people of the world. The main problem of the women of the world is we have to face the death. We have to face the death. But according to supreme philosophy of the world, that is Vedanta philosophy, which has which has given us the salvation from the death, the path, the way against death. So from the help of Vedanta philosophy, means conclusion of Vedas, Vedanta philosophy, that means Upanishad philosophy, the topmost philosophy of the world, which is ancient, most ancient scripture, most ancient spiritual books, and from the help of the Upanishad philosophy, the representative of the United Nations organization, they can solve the main problem of the people of the world, the most trouble, the great trouble of the people of the world, that is the death. And only Vedanta philosophy has removed the afraidness of death of the people of the world. So the representative, mostly Secretary General of United Nations Organization, and his international body, United Nations Organization's body, they can solve the main problem of the people of the world from the help of only Upanishad philosophy, which is always available in the world, always. But the top level of the human, we can say human God, they are representatives of United Nations Organization, mainly Secretary General of United Nations Organization. He and from his group, they can guide from the help of Upanishad philosophy for the permanent solution of the death, of the human being. It is, I think, most duty of the human gods. Human gods means Secretary General with his United Nations Organization family. And the representatives of all countries, more than 200 countries. So we can get permanent solution against death of the human being from the help of the conclusion of Gita. From the conclusion of Gita, that is philosophy of Upanishad philosophy, Vedanta philosophy. Now, according date, New Year 2025, first month, January 30 today, Thursday, according Hinduism, March Shukla Paksha Pratipada Tithi. Today, Bihibara Brihaspatibar, according Nepali Bikram Samvat date 2021. Month Magh Mahina. Satragate, Bihibara. This presenting from Nepal country, from Nepal, Bhairava city, Parasi city, Palpa Tansen city, Butol city, from Nepal, and presenting by President of Immortal Pleasant Center, according Hindi, Akhand Sukha Kendra, presenting by named Balram Jishi, titles Advait Pradeep Saraswat from Nepal, from the pupil from the Nepal, about the permanent solution of the pupil of the world. The main problem is death. But Upanishad philosophy of the world, the topmost philosophy of the world, according that completely solution against death, we all, we the people of the world, can be free from the death, from the afraidness of death, from the medium of pure consciousness, from the medium of pure intelligence. Pure intelligence or pure consciousness or our immortal soul or God, same, not different. So, the main problem of the world, the main problem of the people of the world, that is death. But there is solution according Upanishad philosophy in the world. Upanishad philosophy, the topmost philosophy of the world. From the help, from that help, from the help of Upanishad philosophy, we can solve. But for this necessary to be attention from the United Nations Organization family, because they are leading the world, they are leading the people of the world. What they say, the people of the world, they follow. So, I think the main duty of the representatives of United Nations Organization is to remove the main problem of the people of the world. For solution, from the help of Shiva Gita, from the help of Ashtavakra Gita, from the help of Abdut Gita, from the help of Sri Krishna Gita, we can solve. The representatives of the United Nations Organization, they can easily solve from the help of the top teacher of the world, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, equivalent Sri Ram, Sri Krishna, Ashtavakra, Dattatreya, Prachin Vishwaguru Ved Vyas, Arvachin Vishwaguru Kshitisa, from them, because they are topmost teacher of the world. From the help of teachers of the world, And from the help of Gita, from the help of Upanishad philosophy, all the representatives of United Nations organizations, they can easily solve the problem of the people of the world. Now I am expressing in English language, uh, Hindi language, Nepalese language, संस्कृत लैंग्वेज. एक ब्रह्म द्वितीय नास्ति, एक ब्रह्म ही सत्य है, इसके अलावा दूसरा कुछ भी सत्य नहीं है. जो कुछ है सब ब्रह्म रूप है. परमात्मा ही सबका असली स्वरूप है. परमात्मा नै सबैको यथार्थ स्वरूप हो. मृत्युञ्जय हो सारा संसार का हामीको जो मृत्यु छ त्यसलाई जित्नु. मृत्युञ्जय, मृत्युञ्जय सम्भव छ गीताहरूबाट, वेदान्त उपनिषदबाट. यस्तो समाधान हुन सक्छ. संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघका प्रतिनिधिहरू, खास गरेर महामहिम महासचिव, जनरल महासचिव र उहाँका अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय परिवारको साथमा उहाँहरूले यसलाई समाधान गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. किनकि उहाँहरू जो भन्नुहुन्छ संसारका मानिसले त्यसैलाई पालन गर्नुहुन्छ. त्यसकारणले संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघका प्रतिनिधिहरू, जो 200 भन्दा बढी देशका प्रतिनिधिहरू हुनुहुन्छ, महामहिम महासचिव लगायत अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय परिवारले यसलाई समाधान गर्न सजिलै सकिने हुन्छ. अहिले समयको कारणले यति नै गरौँ. हरि ओम तत्सत.